guys, welcome back to my channel. So if it is your first time watching, please don't forget to subscribe and join the family. And if you're a return subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and watching my videos. I appreciate you a bunch. So today's video I'm going to be doing this look. It's a summer makeup look, easy and breezy. And I'm also going to be reviewing a couple of makeup brushes from Shaina B Miami makeup brushes. They are very pretty. So I got 4 brushes from them. I got this big pretty powder brush, and I also got these 3 eyeshadow brush. They're very beautiful. I love how they have each brush has indicated what is for. This one's powder, this one is eye crease, this one is blending, and this one is eyeshadow brush. So I also got this really cool beauty sponge. They have like the edges, it's like the end is square and I have like a little edges that's square, which I think that makes very easy if you don't do like a powder, or if you don't really get there on your eyes. It's a little easier than the regular beauty blender. So this was a little gift. Thank you so much, Shaina B, for this little gift. Thank you so much for sending me this for review purpose. Complimentary, I really appreciate it. And I'm going to be showing you guys on the video. One is this limited edition bronzing compact powder. That's very beautiful. I show you guys on the video as I use. And I have 2 primes here. One in the shade 07. That's a little darker. That's for summer, you know, like a tanning kind of. If you want to put all over, or if you want to mix on your eyeshadow, you can do either way. On your foundation, you can do either way. It's a primer and a moisturizer, and the bronze look really beautiful on the skin. So I have 2 here. I'm also gonna be using them in the video, so you guys gonna get a chance to see. And I have the really cool also like a pen with 4 products in, with a lip liner and 3 eyeliners. I also gonna show you guys in the video. And for the last, I have this lip oil that's really pretty too, that I'm using the lip liner on the pen and the oil. And the first thing we're gonna do is I'm going to prime my face. SOS Camouflage Imperfection Primer. So I'm just gonna add a little bit to my hand. I'm gonna go in with this Touch the Everlasting Cushion. I don't know if you... I love this foundation. This one is one that I carry in my purse because it's so easy, like throughout the day if you need a little touch up. Just grab a little thing, dab it, and apply it. So I'm just gonna apply this all over my face. And what I love about this foundation too is very light. So for this look, a light foundation is the way to go. Normally for this kind of look, I would not wear foundation. I would wear a BB cream or a tinted moisturizer, but the same thing. The blender from Shaina B Miami. That was a gift that came in the box. That was so nice of them to send. Thank you so much. And then I'm just gonna go on the top of my foundation and just even everything out. I also did this. If I be looking down, guys, sorry, because I'm looking on my mirror here. Face, I'm gonna use for like a little, give myself like this look. I want to do like a kind of a summer look. 06 that I think is my shade, and 07 that's a little deeper. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the deeper tone for contouring my face. Dark and mix a little bit with another one that's a little less darker, and just make like a good, beautiful. So now I'm just gonna do the same thing on another side. This is really beautiful on the skin. So now, this is from Clarins 2018 summer collection bronzer. Alright guys, so now that I have a little bit of my face done, I'm gonna apply a little bit of concealer. First I'm gonna apply with a concealer brush, then after I'm done, I'm gonna go in with a beauty blender and just blend it out. Alright guys, now for my concealer in place, I'm gonna get this powder brush from Shaina Miami. This blush is so fluffy. It's a synthetic hair, but it's so, and don't smell bad, but I love it too. So beautiful, the detail with the rose gold. And what I like too, it's the indicator here. That indicator, it's a powder brush, and all of the Shaina brush come with the indicator what kind of brush it is. So if you're not really familiar with brushes, you can get lost. So I'm just gonna get a little bit of this Givenchy setting powder, and I'm just gonna put in the places where I add the concealer, so we can go to the eyeshadow. So yeah, I love the brush. Really beautiful powder brush. With this blending brush, very pretty. So for my transition shade, I am going to use, and I love this bottom color here. It's a matte, almost orange kind of color. That's gonna be perfect for the transition shade. So just a small. I'm gonna lie, this brush is so good. I think I got my new favorite blending brush, really. I'm gonna get the third brush. This is an eye crease brush. So I'm just gonna get a little bit of this beautiful Ultra highlighter, and I'm gonna use on the crease of my eyes just for a little glow, since this is a summer look. Little fan brush, and I'm gonna apply the highlighter. This highlighter is gorgeous. Now I'm just gonna go do mascara, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so now that my lashes are in it, yes, I put lashes on, took me forever. I know, I still suck at that, but I have to practice a little bit more because I really kind of like the look comes out with the lashes. You know, without lashes look okay, but with lashes better. Alright, so next step, so for the, I lined my lash line before I did my lashes with this beautiful Clarins. I love this product. It's so innovative, and it, you get for one product, you get 4 different 3 eyeliners and 1 lip liner. It reminds me of that old-fashioned like pen when we were in school. They have like a red, green. They had red, black, blue, and I think the green pen. And this is so beautiful. So I'm gonna line my lips with this pink lip liner here for the pen. See the beautiful color? Gorgeous, right? That's so pretty. I'm gonna keep this in my purse so I have a lip liner and 3 eyeliner. Very, very, very how can I say, good for, you know, safe space on your bag. So for the lips, since I line with a liner, now I'm gonna go in with this Clarins Instant Tan Light Lip Comfort Oil. This one is in the shade of Blackberry, number 8. So getting that. See how beautiful the combination of the oil and the lip liner. Makeup fixer from Opera Cosmetic, which I've been loving lately. Ooh. Right, and this is the final look, guys. Just gonna take the butt paint out of my hair because I was keeping it out of my face. I have like these stones on my nails. And yesterday I was washing my hair, and every time that I would run my fingers through my hair, it just was like yanking my hair out. I was like, oh no. Alright, babe, so this is the final look. I have this light so bright here that it's blinding me. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoy. This is a light summer look. You know, you have like all the glow. You have, you know, the little bronzer, and you have like, you know, the bronze in the eyes and a little bit of the shimmering. And you have the soft lip, that's just a little lip liner, and the oil that looks so hydrating and so easy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If it is your first time watching, please don't forget to subscribe and join the family and like this video.